Google is set to report their Q4 2025 earnings after market closes tomorrow. This time it's not just about ad revenue or cloud growth. There's a few more things in the mix at the moment. Analysts are looking closely for answers about Google's AI strategy, especially around reports of a potential Siri Gemini partnership with Apple. That's a pretty significant thing now at the moment. There's a lot of talk about it. In this video, I'll walk you through what Wall Street is listening for on the earnings, why this AI deal matters, and what could actually move Google stock after the numbers. So let's get into it. As you can see, I have Google share price open here at the stock, and it's trading at $339.83 at the moment. And I'll just go through now. The past 5 days, it's been just up over 1.75%. Past month, it's been up over 8%. Past 6 months, that's a whopping amount now, 79.45. And the past year to date, it's been up over 8.63%. So full credit to the author of this article, Jennifer Alias, and it focuses on Apple, Gemini and Google. So analysts say they're looking for details on the deal between Apple and Google to revamp the iPhone makers' AI products, including Siri. The deal is one of the most prominent yet for Gemini, and the scale of Apple's use space, 2.5 billion active devices, is important for Google even without specific user data, analysts said. Analysts said Apple choosing Google over OpenAI and other AI startups is a defensive win for the search giant. Investors will be looking for more details on the company's deal with Apple to revamp Siri virtual assistant with Google's Gemini artificial intelligence. There's the likes of ChatGPT and Gemini and all these artificial intelligence, and who's going to be the top dog among them. While Wall Street is expecting Google to report a 15% year-over-year increase in its fourth quarter revenue, much of the attention during the company's earnings call will be on any new details about the Siri Gemini deal, analysts told CNBC. So that's the main focus, and how that deal plays out and what they're going to talk about in the next few months will determine how the share price and the stock will perform. So the earnings on Wednesday will be the first time Alphabet's leadership addresses shareholders since Apple in January announced that it had chosen Gemini as the AI technology to power the company's Siri overhaul this year. So that's going to be unanswered questions about what the partnership entails. So Apple's CEO Tim Cook discussed the partnership with CNBC's Steve Kovac last week when the company reported its latest quarterly earnings. Cook said the Gemini-powered Siri will be personalized for users, but he added that it won't know users' Gmail, stuff like that, just as well. I don't want it to be too intrusive either. Bottom line is, there was a real concern on Wall Street that Apple would run into the arms of OpenAI or Perplexity. That's not really going to happen now. Apple is currently partnered with OpenAI for an integration of the AI startups ChatGPT with Siri and Apple Intelligence. As part of that arrangement, Siri hands off complicated queries to ChatGPT. It's unclear what the Google partnership means for ChatGPT integration. So I hope you found this analysis interesting. As I said, Google is going to report earnings tomorrow after market close, and I showed you how the stock has performed over the last number of months and year to date, and talked about the Siri, Apple, Google partnership, etc. So hope you found it interesting, and keep an eye out for the earnings tomorrow after market close. That's just 9 o'clock Irish time thereabouts. So just to let you know, I have a $5 Patreon with detailed stock market and crypto analysis and up-to-date articles, videos, audio, etc. If you want to check it out and become a member, I'd love to see you there. Thanks for watching. Till next time, take care.